This video I will show you how to use conditional rendering in React. In last video, we have already achieved this using if condition. If the item is packed, then we want to show the name with the tick after the item name. Otherwise, we just render the normal, the item name, right, without the tick. So these are already ticked, right, when we check it using the true or false. So I want to achieve the same, but without using the if condition as shown here. So let's just first comment this out. We are going to use the ternary operator. So will be return a list, right? And inside here, we will check. So we want to check if it is packed. If that's true, then we want to show the name plus the tick, right? So this will be the tick. Otherwise, okay, so else it will go into this condition. We want to just show the name, okay, as simple as that. So now let's have a look if we achieve the same result. Here it is, guys. We have achieved the same result, right, using the ternary operator. We can just use the question mark. If that is true, it will go into this condition. It will show it with the tick. Otherwise, right, else it just show the name. And yep, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video.